Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about a topic that has quietly transformed millions of lives, especially in countries like India: women empowerment through microfinance. Let's imagine a woman who has skills, determination, and ideas but no access to money, no bank account, and no support system. Microfinance changes that story. And in this video, I'll explain how microfinance empowers women across multiple dimensions, not just financially, but socially, psychologically, and even politically. Microfinance is often misunderstood as just small loans, but in reality, it is much more than that. Microfinance provides low income women with access to credit, savings, insurance, and training tools they were denied for generations. Traditional banks usually ask for collateral, documents, and credit history, which many women don't have. Microfinance removes these barriers. Just women gain access to financial resources, something powerful happens. They start earning, they start deciding, and they start leading in their homes and in the communities. That's why microfinance is not just poverty reduction, it is lasting empowerment. So, what exactly is microfinance? Microfinance basically refers to small, affordable financial services provided to people who are excluded from formal banking, especially women. These loans are small in amount, flexible in repayment, often given without collateral. Instead of property or assets, microfinance relies on trust, group responsibility, and repayment discipline. And microfinance doesn't stop at loans. It includes saving accounts, microinsurance, business training, and financial literacy. These services are delivered through HSGs, MFIs, and community based institutions, making them accessible even in rural and remote areas. Now, let's talk about why microfinance exists. The very first objective is financial inclusion, bringing women into the formal financial system. When women open saving accounts and access credits, they gain financial security. The second objective is self employment. Microfinance supports women in starting small businesses, tailoring, dairy farming, food processing, petty shops, activities that generate regular income. Another key objective is reducing dependence on money lenders. Many women were trapped in debt cycles due to extremely high rate interest. Microfinance offers a safer, fairer alternative. But beyond money, the real goal is empowerment, improving confidence, dignity, and social standing. This is where the transformation becomes visible. With microfinance, women move from zero income to stable income, eventually from income to enterprise. Small loans help women buy raw materials, tools, livestock, inventory. As income becomes regular, women begin saving money and repaying loans on time. Over time, they build credit history and qualify for larger loans. Many women expand from survival level activities to sustainable businesses. This economic empowerment reduces poverty, improves household security, and turns women into contributors, not dependents. One of the strongest features of microfinance is collective participation, especially through HSGs. When women come together in groups, they meet regularly, they share experiences, they support each other. This reduces social isolation and build strong networks. Group lending creates discipline and trust, while group savings reduce risk. Slowly, women gain respect in their families and communities. They speak more confidently, participate more actively, and stand together. Social empowerment is not loud, but it is life changing. Let's talk about something very important: decision making power. When women earn and manage income, their role inside the household changes. They are no longer silent participants. They start making decisions about children's education, healthcare, nutrition, saving, and investments. Financial independence reduces dependency on others. It also leads to shared decision making which strengthens families. This is one of the most important, meaningful impact of microfinance because empowerment starts at home. Microfinance also works best when it is combined with education and skill development. Financial literacy teaches women how to budget, how to save, and how to borrow responsibly. Skill training improves productivity, where it's tailoring, agriculture, food processing, or digital payments. Today, many programs also teach mobile banking and digital finance, which saves time and increases transparency. Education multiplies the impact of every loan, making businesses stronger and income more stable. Now, let's talk about the most powerful but invisible change: psychological empowerment. When women start earning, something shifts internally. They gain self confidence, self respect, courage to take risks, and fear slowly turns into belief. Many women become leaders within HSGs. They speak in meetings, mentor others, and participate in community decisions. This confidence doesn't just change one woman, it inspires many others. Here's how the empowerment cycle works: access to credit and training. In this, income increased and savings also, better health, education, and nutrition, greater social and civic participation. This creates a positive cycle where economic growth leads to social development and leadership. Microfinance does not just help individuals, it strengthens families, communities, and local economies. So, let's conclude it by saying that microfinance is not just about loans, it is about opportunity, dignity, and transformation. For maximum impact, financial products must suit women needs. Credit must be supported with training. Strong community institution must be encouraged. When women are empowered, families prosper. When families prosper, communities grow. And when communities grow, nations develop. Empower a woman and you empower a nation. Thank you.